Are service dogs allowed in public schools? Yes, and there's multiple things that kind of are at play here. So under the ADA, the state and local governments cannot deny a service dog access from their buildings, and this does include public schools. And under Section 504 of the Rehabilitation Act, it prohibits discrimination against individuals with a disability in programs that receive federal funding, which would include public schools. And then finally, we have IDEA, which is the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act. IDEA requires that states provide all eligible children with disabilities a free and appropriate public education in the least restrictive environment appropriate to the child's individual needs. IDEA applies only to the public primary and secondary schools and does not apply to public colleges and universities. IDEA requires schools to develop an individualized education program, or IEP, for each eligible student. The IEP will include specialized instruction, annual goals, and any necessary related services. Related services are services that students may need in order to benefit and receive free and appropriate public education from the school. So under the Section 504 and ADA Title II, a student is permitted to have a service animal as long as it is task trained to mitigate the circumstances of their disability and meets the ADA requirements to be a service animal. And then you also have to have your service animal approved in your IEP or 504 plan. But from everything that I've read, it's kind of complicated because some schools will say that your service dog can't come and they don't approve it for your IEP. But then under all these laws and acts, a service dog would be allowed. So it's all kind of a mess. But in theory, service dogs are protected and can attend public schools. I got my service dog as an adult, but I've had no issue taking my service dog with me to events that my siblings' public schools host. So I hope this helps.